Welcome to Sound Journey YouTube channel. Becoming a music critic involves developing a keen understanding of music theory, genres, and the ability to articulate insightful critiques. Here are 3 key aspects to consider. 1. Knowledge and expertise. A music critic needs a solid foundation in music theory, history, and appreciation of different genres. They must understand musical elements such as melody, harmony, rhythm, and lyrics, and how these elements contribute to the overall composition. For example, a classical music critic would require knowledge of composers, periods, and performance techniques, whereas a critic of contemporary pop music would focus on current trends, production styles, and cultural influences. 2. Analytical skills. Critiquing music involves more than personal opinion. It requires the ability to critically analyze and evaluate compositions objectively. A good critic should be able to assess technical proficiency, creativity, originality, and emotional impact of the music. They should also consider contextual factors such as the artist's background, societal influences, and industry trends. For instance, a jazz critic might evaluate improvisational skills, while a critic of experimental music might focus on innovation and boundary pushing within the genre. 3. Effective communication. Articulating critiques in a clear, engaging, and persuasive manner is essential for a music critic. They must convey their thoughts and evaluations to readers or listeners in a way that enhances understanding and appreciation of the music. This involves using descriptive language, providing specific examples from the music, and contextualizing their critiques within broader musical discourse. A critic might highlight the thematic depth of a concept album, dissect the production techniques in a hip-hop track, or compare the vocal range and emotive delivery of a singer-songwriter. In summary, becoming a music critic requires a combination of knowledge, analytical skills, and effective communication abilities. By developing expertise in music theory, honing analytical prowess, and mastering the art of thoughtful critique, one can navigate the diverse world of music and offer valuable insights to audiences seeking to deepen their appreciation of musical artistry. Thank you for joining us on this sound journey.